Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now look at the headlines. Governor comes under the ambit of the RTI. High Court pronounces historic verdict, suggests more than one member on the Information Commission. Balshree Award 2010 goes to Vibha Kanekar from Sanquelim. 4 other children honoured on the occasion of Children's Day at Bal Bhavan with Bal-Bhushan. Congress commences its Padayatra. The party is still adamant on seat sharing. NCP doesn't even have 6 winnable candidates. Congress ridicules the alliance partner. Schedule of Indian Panorama announced: 24 feature, 21 non-feature films to be screened. O Maria part of the panorama. Venue changed for International Rugby Sevens tournament. Goa Rugby Football Union choose Don Bosco ground instead of Kampal. Tournament on Saturday and Sunday. And 11th All India BSNL football tournament kicks off at Taligaon. And now the news in detail. In a historic judgment, High Court has ruled that the office of the governor falls under the RTI Act. High Court pronounced the verdict on Monday and ruled that the governor is a public authority. High Court also noted that State Information Commission should be comprised of more than one member.
Governor is a public authority and he comes under the ambit of RTI Act. This is the verdict pronounced by the High Court against the Governor of Goa. Advocate Irish Rodriguez had filed a plea against the Governor's office for refusing information under the RTI Act. Special Secretary at Raj Bhavan had challenged the verdict of Information Commission in the High Court. Justice D.G. Karnik and Justice F.M. Resh pronounced the verdict on Monday.
Honorable Bombay High Court has held that the Governor of Goa is a public authority and he is not exempt from the RTI Act. The court has also held that the PIO at the Raj Bhavan is bound to furnish all information sought under the Right to Information Act. In another petition that was filed by Mr. Manohar Parrikar against Mr. Manohar Parrikar, the court has also held that that information sought by Mr. Manohar Parrikar on the report sent by the governor to the President of India has to be given to Mr. Parrikar. So basically one point has been settled today, that the Governor of Goa is a public authority. Goa Governor was the only governor who was not complying with the RTI Act.
In a similar case, High Court has dismissed Raj Bhavan's plea and has pronounced a verdict in favour of Manohar Parrikar. Parrikar had also sought information from Raj Bhavan under the RTI Act. Court has made it clear that Raj Bhavan should furnish the information to Parrikar. High Court has also noted that State Information Commission should have more than one number.
The court has also held today that the Goa State Information Commission cannot be run by a single commissioner. It has to be a multi-man body. So that has been held by the court.
A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Sushant Par.
Vibha Kanekar from Sanquelim was awarded Balshree Award 2010. 4 others were awarded with Bal-Bhushan Award. They were honoured on Children's Day at Bal Bhavan on Monday.
15-year-old Vibha Kanekar from Sanquelim has been awarded National Bal Bhavan's Balshree Award 2010. She has been selected in creative performance in special category. However, 4 other children were awarded with Bal-Bhushan Award 2010. It includes Shruta Pai from Madgaon in creative performance, Harshada Borkar from Panji in scientific innovation, Ishan Shetye from Ponda in creative writing and Mayur Deshpande from Porvori in creative art. They were awarded on Children's Day at Bal Bhavan in Kampal. Bal Bhavan started with these awards in 1995 to encourage children at their tender age. Child Development Secretary VP Rao, Chairperson of Bal Bhavan Vijaya Devi Rane and others were present for the function.
अक्सर पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों को दूसरे बच्चों से या अपने ही बड़े बच्चे से कंपेयर करते हैं. प्लीज डू नॉट कंपेयर. माय रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल द पेरेंट्स नॉट टू कंपेयर. I request all the parents and all those who are senior citizens here who can spare some time to activate Village Education Committee and Village Child Committee.
Children's Day was also celebrated at Salvador de Mun Panchayat. It is Jayanti of Chacha Nehru. His photo at the Panchayat was garlanded by Secretary of GCA Prasad Fatarpekar. Child's Right of Goa has awarded this Panchayat with Best Child Village Committee. Our reporter from Panji, Devidas Kamri, with video journalist Sushant Par.
Congress Party's Padayatra, namely Lok Samruddhi Yatra, commenced from Patra Devi on Monday. Almost all Congress bigwigs were present for the launch. Yatra paid tribute to the Martyrs Memorial at Patra Devi. In a press conference addressed on Monday evening, Congress took a dig at the NCP, saying that the alliance partner doesn't even have 6 winnable candidates.
Recently, Advani's Jan Chetna Yatra passed through Goa. Now it's turn of the Congress. Many congressmen had participated in the Lok Samruddhi Yatra that commenced from Patra Devi on Monday.
वाटाघाटीन गोयात स्वतंत्र दिवपाचे सगळे मार्ग बंद झाले. त्यांना ऑपरेशन विजय करून गोय राज्यात पोर्तुगीजाच्या राजवटीतल्यान मुक्त करपाचे काम जर कोणी केले असत ते पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू आणि म्हणून आज आम्ही गोय राज्याचे सुवर्ण महोत्सवी वर्ष मनयतात स्वातंत्र्याचे. काँग्रेस पार्टी पळय म्हणटा दुर्य पार्टी इतलो लोक आहा पार्टीतलो एकलो तरी प्रॉब्लेम होता. पार्टीचेर एक्शन जातल्याच्या मनशाचेर पूण पार्टीक जबाबदारी करपाची कोणाकूच अधिकार ना.
Vishwajit Rane alleged opposition of self-centered motives.
विरोधी पक्षाचे नेते विरोधी पक्षाचे वेगवेगळे त्यांचे वांगडी गावागावांनी वचून अप्रचार करतात आणि अप्रचार फक्त इलेक्शन आयले म्हणून आपल्या स्वार्था खातीर. पण काँग्रेस पक्ष दुर्लक्ष हे सगळ्या गोष्टीचेर करून प्रयत्न करता की लोकांक एकत्र कशे हाडपाचे.
Meanwhile, Congress ridiculed NCP, stating that the alliance partner doesn't even have 6 winnable candidates.
Who says we are not strong enough to face the electorate alone in every 40 constituency? If they had candidates in all the constituencies or in 12 or 15 constituencies as you are saying, they would have not demanded less than half the seats. You are demanding 12. It proves that you do not have even 6 candidates.
Our reporter from Pedne, Vinod Mehta, with Balshree Desai and video journalist Sunny Narvekar.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.